Zadar, a captivating city on the stunning Adriatic coast of Croatia, is a unique blend of ancient history, modern innovation, and natural beauty that beckons visitors to explore its diverse offerings. With its Roman ruins, intriguing art installations, and mesmerizing sunsets, Zadar provides a rich tapestry of experiences that enchant travelers and immerse them in its dynamic cultural scene and coastal allure. Zadar's historical significance is beautifully depicted in its architectural wonders and landmarks. The Roman Forum, a centuries-old square lined with remnants of ancient buildings, transports visitors back to the city's Roman origins. The Church of St. Donatus, an iconic pre-Romanesque structure, showcases intricate details and hosts musical events that resonate through its acoustics. The sea organ, a unique art installation along the waterfront, uses the power of the waves to create mesmerizing music, making it a testament to modern creativity and innovation. Art and culture thrive in Zadar's museums, galleries, and cultural events. The Archaeological Museum boasts an impressive collection of artifacts that span centuries of history, from the ancient Illyrians to the Middle Ages. The Zadar Puppet Theatre and the Zadar Film Festival contribute to the city's cultural vibrancy, offering entertainment and creativity for all ages. Zadar's coastal beauty is a major draw for visitors. The sea organ and the nearby Greeting to the Sun, an illuminated solar-powered art installation, create a captivating atmosphere along the waterfront, especially during stunning sunsets. The nearby beaches invite visitors to relax and enjoy the crystalline waters of the Adriatic Sea, while the picturesque islands around Zadar offer opportunities for island hopping, sailing, and diving adventures. Culinary experiences in Zadar celebrate Dalmatian flavors and Mediterranean cuisine. The city's restaurants, canobas, traditional taverns, and seafood eateries serve dishes like fresh seafood, octopus salad, and regional wines that pay homage to local ingredients. The vibrant Zadar market allows visitors to indulge in locally produced goods, artisanal products, and fresh produce. For those seeking outdoor activities, Zadar's surrounding areas offer opportunities for hiking, biking, and exploring the scenic landscapes of the Zadar hinterland. National parks like Paklenica and Kornati, as well as the Krka waterfalls, are perfect for day trips and outdoor adventures. Zadar is a city that effortlessly blends history, art, and coastal charm. Whether you're exploring its ancient ruins, indulging in its culinary delights, marveling at its artistic installations, or simply gazing at its enchanting sunsets, Zadar promises an enriching and unforgettable journey that captures the essence of Croatian heritage, modern creativity, and the timeless allure of an Adriatic coastal gem.